I think we need to not walk too slowly because it's raining again.
Okay.
So we'll do a good course this way. Look at the sun. Look at him, how brave.
I'm in that girl's space. Space.
Yeah, I think we need our umbrellas. Is yours still?
Yeah.
Last time.
There's also an option of having something that goes around your neck.
The camera in your back.
Yeah, I mean, if it's not helping.
Look at the sunset already.
Let's hope that it is. So, yeah, left too. It's a bit wet on the extreme left.
Oh, your umbrella it's got has 2 layers.
Yes.
I've never seen it.
That's how
But
it's
it
prevented.
cannot get damaged. The wind can swing.
Yes, exactly. Just means your husband is thinking about many things.
Especially about how amazing it is.
In 2026. Still have to get used to writing 2026. Have you written somewhere 2026?
Yeah, my fish. Every day has an index card where I take my notes. Check in the morning, 5 to 10 Tenerife. Monday, 29th, Saturday.
I go to the
Race around the paddles.
2 people coming running. Seem to be professionally motivated.
They're going on a fast pace,
Yes, like those wild horse in central London. There's a supermercado there upstairs. You know that? We've only noticed it this year. Your Thai restaurant is looking splendid this time. vedele. There's a French song. They come to surf. It just crosses my mind, the song. That melody. Let's, well, after those guys, we just move left. Some other sentence that says down this side.
This would be a nice picture here.
You wanna go down here?
I want to take a picture.
Because I've got one walking up the. Sorry, guys. Coming soon. Okay.
My hair is stuck in my umbrella. Go down.
Yeah. With your heels. With your heels.
My ears. I think it
Heels.
stopped raining.
You think? Or is it the windy place that makes it? It flushes the rain away. Yeah, if you remove it.
You won't get all that time in a shower.
I'll come soon.
Oh shit. Without using umbrella, you're not free. Eh? I don't know why they've not found a better system for that. They can fly to the moon,
For
but they cannot figure out how to manage
umbrellas.
a spin drive.
Wow.
Anyways,
The sunset we know is down to 1822. So.
we'll be at Serena.
Oh, maybe at the hotel.
There's going to be a lot of clouds, so the sunset will be less spectacular. Those are those Canary birds. They're very noisy.
Where
Where did he go?
Down there. You. I think it's the wind that takes it